Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing the battery pack or AA cells and inspecting terminals. Corrosion or a loose clip stops power flow. Once done, insert a known good charged battery or freshly recharged battery pack for at least 2 to 3 minutes so you rule out simple power loss. Now press and hold the Xbox button for 6 to 10 seconds. This forces a hard power attempt and reveals whether the controller's internal circuitry is responding, which helps decide the next diagnostic move. You next force wired power by connecting a USB-C cable to the console or a Windows PC. That bypasses battery faults and allows pairing. Once connected, open console settings or the Xbox Accessories app and run any available firmware update, because software glitches can prevent startup. If the controller still won't fully power, press the sync button on the headset jack area or top for 3 to 5 seconds to attempt pairing. Make sure to watch the pairing LED to confirm successful communication. If wired power and firmware updates fail, you can inspect the internal battery or fuse only if you're comfortable opening the shell. Physical damage, blown fuses, or disconnected wires explain permanent no-power conditions. Once done, swap test with another console or controller to isolate whether the issue is with the controller or your Xbox. If the controller remains dead after these checks, contact Xbox support or pursue authorized repair or replacement, because persistent no power usually indicates a hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.